If you are trying to install ComfyUI for the first time and things feel confusing or broken, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you a clean and reliable way to install Comfy locally so it works properly and stays easy to manage. This video is for beginners, especially if you are new to Comfy or local AI setups. I will keep things practical and skip unnecessary jargon. Quick note before we start, this works on Windows and a GPU is strongly recommended. I have put full system requirements and links in the description so you can check them anytime. Let's start with the download. Open your browser, search for ComfyUI and click the first result. On this page, you will see a few options. We don't need the Windows installer and we don't need the Mac version. What we want is the install from GitHub. This is the Windows portable version and this is important. The portable version keeps everything self-contained and avoids common installation issues. It's the easiest option if you are just starting out. Clicking this opens the GitHub page. Scroll down to the section called Get Started. Here you will see the Windows portable package. Click this and then use the direct download link. When you download this, choose a drive with enough space. Once the download is complete, unzip the folder. This can take a few minutes depending on your system. I will skip ahead once it's done. After extracting, you can copy this folder to any drive you like. Just make sure there's enough space for models. We will add those later. I am placing it on my E drive under a folder called AI. You can use any drive or folder. Just keep in mind that checkpoint files are usually 6 to 7 gigabytes each. The folder is now copied. You may see other folders here, for example, Focus, which is another AI image tool. I will cover that separately in another video. For now, let's focus on Comfy. Inside the Comfy folder, you will see a few batch files. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, use this file. If you are running on CPU, use the other one. Since my system has an NVIDIA GPU, I will double click this. The first run will take some time because Python dependencies are being set up. This is normal. Don't close the window. One important thing to note here is that the portable version already includes Python. You don't need to install Python separately. That's one of the main reasons I recommend this approach. If this is making things clearer so far, this video is part of a short Comfy series where each video builds on the previous one. Once everything is ready, Comfy will open in your browser. If you see this interface, your installation is successful. At this point, Comfy is installed correctly. You won't be able to generate images yet, and that's expected. We still need to add models and set up a basic workflow. In the next video, I will show you how to download checkpoints, where to place them, and how to run your first text-to-image workflow. I will also share a few reliable beginner-friendly checkpoints that actually work well. If you want to continue from here, the next video will pick up exactly where this one ends.